So let's start with the first job opening. So this is basically Indian based job. This is in India, and the company is RNS IT Solutions. Right. So they are looking for someone in Jaipur. They want a web application pen testing, mobile applications, and this is actually for the freshers, right? If you have little bit of knowledge, okay, if you are the part of VIH group TCI batch, okay, so you can apply for this job role. Mail ID is HR uh, rnsiitsolutions.com. Okay, and this is actually what is required: strong knowledge in malware analysis. Right, these are a couple of things which is primarily we focus on research, right? But this is must web, mobile, and VAPT. So if you have done completed VIH group TCI, then you can directly get this job very easily, right? Just apply and you'll get selected as much possible. Next one is for the Palo Alto firewall engineer. They want someone who can join immediately with a hands-on experience on Panorama and SD-WAN. The job is in Gurugram. It's immediate joining, right? Chavi at Regent Digitech.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume if you want to apply. Next one, there's a walk-in interview, guys. It's tomorrow, on 17th July, and it's for SOC Analyst C2, right? 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. will be the timing. Happiest Minds Technology is the company name, and this is the address, right, where you can sit for the offline interview. So they want SOC analyst with 3 to 4 years of experience, all those knowledge, skill chain, 24 to 7. Okay. Just take your updated resume and very valid ID proof. And this email ID swati.p.cadet happiestmind.com. If you have any questions, you can ask them. Next one is in Avanti Tech. They want SOC opening in Mumbai. So guys, there's a lot of opening for the SOC. So if you want to learn about SOC, just check out this URL, vihgroup.com/SOC. If you want to learn about SOC, this is something good you can opt for, right? They want 20 SOC L1, L2. L1, L2, L1 is the basic, and they want L3, 6 L3, right? And this is the thing which is required: QRadar, Splunk architecture, Fuzzing, advanced research, Azure, AWS, GCP, SIEM, all those knowledge. Mail ID is renuka@avantitech.co.uk or vincent@eventi.in. So you can drop a mail on this mail IDs, right, if you want to apply. Especially just check out this URL vih.com/SOC if you want to learn about SOC. Next is someone want admission counselor. What the fuck? This is not what I'm. Yes, next one is advanced med. They want security analyst in IT security, and it's Pune and Ahmedabad based job. So if you're from Pune or Ahmedabad, you can join. What they want actually assessment pen testers, VAPT knowledge, WAPT knowledge. Okay, Bob suit openware. Qualification is bachelor degree in computer science and information technology or related field, right? It's a mail ID, Gargit Trivedi, and this is the mobile number, and this is the mail ID, gargi.trivedi@advantmed.com, right? Now the next one is in Mick Jaws Cybersecurity. They want someone as a intern, okay, as a web application pen testers. They are going to probably pay you. Check it out, and they want to hire you from 6 to 8 months, from 1 month to 1.5. Mail ID support edit mixjaws.com. So if you want to apply, you can check out this one. Now next one is someone is looking in SOC Guardian Limited L2, which required 3 to 5 years of experience in SOC. Oh, it's a Pakistan based job, PKR. CTR, Pakistani government is already looking for job. वो आपको क्या provide करेंगे? If it someone is hiring for L2 network engineer, SD1, 3 years, Gurugram. They will provide you cab. Working days will be 5. Saturday, Sunday fix off, which is off. Immediately join us. They want SD1, and this is the mail ID. Siddharth.sarma@ariel.co.in, and this is the mobile number. If you have any questions, ask him. Yes, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for asking. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you. Ask your question. So, guys, if you want to join SOC internship, you can check out. If you want to look for web application pen testing, .com/TCI for web and testing. Yes, so that's what we have. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask.